Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create a program that will ask the user to give a year and month, and then it will display the current calendar, no, or print the calendar using Python programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters, and fans in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I would like to shout out Sir Ernil, Marshmallow, and Ma'am Robelin. If you want to be shout out in my channel, just leave your name in the comment section of this video and then put shout out. So let's begin. One of the things that I have learned about Python programming language is that it has so many built-in modules or library file that makes our program shorter and more efficient. We don't need to understand the inner working of some of the function. Just calling the module and then the command, it will do its job. For example, here we have here calendar, import calendar. This is a module. So we have here several comments here. So print calendar in Python. We are asking the user here year, enter year number integer because it is a string. And then this is for the month, and then we have here calendar, month, passing parameter year and month. It will just display the current calendar of the current month and year. That's it, and end of program. Shorter programs, more efficient. That is the way we create programs in Python. Okay, so let us run our code now so that we can check the result. Okay, right click, run calendar. Okay, print calendar in Python, enter year number. Let's say for example 2022 April 4. So we have here today is Tuesday, April 5. Let us check here. Yes, we are correct here. April 5 Tuesday, April 5, 2022. Okay, another example. Let's say 2022 June. Okay, let us check here in our calendar. We have the same result. Now, Wednesday, June 1 is Wednesday, June 5 is Sunday. Okay. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to print calendar in Python programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.